Hi everyone, it's Rachel with Remax up in Big Bear. Today, even though I've lost my voice, I'm going to walk you through this gorgeous, gorgeous home that just hit the market for $699,000. So it is a remodel and come check it out. Okay, so here we are at 1006 Feather Mountain Drive. We are in the Whispering Forest neighborhood of Big Bear City. It's kind of what I call the Moon Ridge of Big Bear City. You have ski slope views of Bear Mountain and Snow Summit from up here. And it's a nice, quiet neighborhood. Lots of rentals, lots of full-time owners over here. First thing we like to talk about is property lines. So we've got right here, bingo, in the telephone pole, the property marker on this side. And we do have a fully fenced property. So all the way around, keep your kiddos, keep your dogs, your animals, your goats, your chickens, all inside the fence line. And it is green too, so it's kind of like you barely even notice it by being inside. And then here, what we have is the property line somewhere, like our green chain link fence attaches right to their silver one. So kind of hard to tell where the property line is. There could be a marker somewhere underneath here, but right now I do not see it. And so in this neighborhood, we have a lot of full-time owners, a lot of secondary homeowners, and then a lot of vacation rentals. So if I were to buy this one and use it as a vacation rental, I would think I could probably do between like 60 and 80,000 on it. And that's just managing it myself. It is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1464 square foot, and 2-car garage. So a couple things I would note: I would add a hot tub if I was going to be a vacation rental, and I would probably do a game room in the garage too. So one thing I want to note is check out this driveway. I mean, it's not just some boring driveway. This is well thought out, dug down, very thick brick driveway. So you can park probably like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars on the inside if you wanted to, even more if you went on to parking out on the grass, well, on the lawn area, let's call it, and then but you'd have to remove a tree. So here we have the 2-car garage, and it is finished inside. So we do have electrical, drywall, and even dual pane windows in the garage too. So that's pretty nice. And then there is a second, like a loft area to the garage. I'm not going to go up there. But nice concrete in here. You can make a gym out of this, a second office, an ADU. You could do a lot. And then we've also got some extra roofing material because we have a newer roof on this home. Paint is in really good shape as well. And I'll take you around the outside kind of at the end, but we do have access from the garage. So you can get there from one of 2 ways into the house, inside downstairs or inside upstairs. But for the sake of the wow factor, I'm going to take you upstairs first because these are some of my favorite rooms and I want to get to the good stuff. Sorry, I lost my voice about a week ago. So here's a cool little area. I'd like to know in the comments what you think this area would be good for. I'm almost envisioning like a little swing would be cool, like that swing that was in the garage could be cool to put up there and just sit out here and enjoy, because from here you do have ski slope views from right here. We do have covered entry right here. And then any kind of snow and ice would be coming down through there. And this wraps all the way around the deck, but we will go there towards the end. Beautiful door. So here we have the entry, and we've got storage, living room, kitchen, dining room, and a bedroom up here with a loft. So let's first start this way. Of course, dual pane windows. And this has all been updated in here. Like, this was all paneling, if you would have seen it a while ago. All paneling. And now it's all this beautiful, beautiful drywall, vaulted A-frame ceilings that everybody in Big Bear is looking for. So we've got 2 double sliders, and these are newer sliders. Oh, we forgot to talk about the floor. So we have laminate hardwood flooring. We do have central heating. And then we've got like this brick fireplace right here. Kind of like a mustard color with a dark black accent color, which is great because you've got all of these grates right here that are all black, all that hardware. You've got this nice tongue and groove ceiling. I mean, just a huge room. You could do any number of combinations with it. If you're going to do a rental, could easily have a pool table over that way, living room set this way, dining room right here. Even if you're going to live here full time, I mean, very cozy, great living room to hang out with. And the other thing that I like about it is these windows are tinted, so you're not going to get too much exposure by, you know, like the sun beating in and staining the floors. So here we have the updated kitchen. And this one is, these are kind of like a navy blue with a copper accent right here. But this whole kitchen is new. If you would have seen the old photos of it, you would think it's incredible. So we have granite countertops up here. But I just love this color combination with the navy, the white, and the copper. And then we've got nice treetop views out here in the kitchen area. Oven will go here. And I like these floating shelves too, because it just tends to like help you not become a little pack rat, especially in a second home. So it's nice just to leave everything kind of like open and like a little museum. I will take you up there in just one moment. So coming in, we've got the new bathroom. One of my favorite parts of the whole house. They just did a really good job in here. So the transition goes from the hardwood floors right here to a rock fireplace, to a rock flooring. And then we've got wood and porcelain. And check this tile out. It's like a like almost like a matted, rough. I love it. But it just the little squares. They did a beautiful job picking out this combination. So you go from like this square with this great shampoo box over to this kind of like wood textured tile. Gold accent pieces. We have wood up top, drywall. So it's like a white and brown and gold. And then penny tile. White and gold penny tile. And check out that terrain too. And just a little lip right here. So you could put a curtain up. Don't really, I mean, I'd probably advise you to. And we're gonna go into bedroom number 1. So this is the first bedroom. The more of the master bedroom is downstairs. So you could easily get a king bed, queen bed in here. And it's got a closet as well. And so this can be tricky with one hand. So if I fall, call 911 for me. And trying to do it with nails too is tough. Okay, I think I'm good for now. So here we have up in the loft area. Check out the views from up here. If you have kids, this is a great little space for them to play in. Like make a little fort up here. Let them just make a little mess up here. Or you could build a little office area up here as well. But it does have this kind of, oh, I moved my camera, hang on. Hardwood floors, like original hardwood floors. So, okay, I'm going down. Oh, handles, that helps. And then here we have the intake for the furnace too. So let's go down and then I'm gonna come back up and show you the views outside. So this is gonna be our second point of entry right here. And from me standing in here, it's kind of like an entryway, bedroom, bathroom, bedroom, stairs going up. So, same door as upstairs. This is just kind of like a nice little gear room where you can just like have like a little bench right here to take off and store your snowboards, your skis, all your wet gear, everything like that. And then just like an indoor little utility room that's nice too. And a closet. So from here, we're gonna go into what I would call the master. This is the biggest bedroom. And you've got great views of the mountain right here too. Got laundry in here, but then we've also got the main closet on this side too. It's just so private back here too. We're gonna go into bathroom number 2. And so this one is a Jack and Jill bathroom. Got black large tile on the floor. Nice clean tub. This is very clean too. And then this will go into the third bedroom. I have I believe I have a before video of this one because I did a tour on it a little while ago. So if you go back, you could see that old tour. Oh, this is fun. I didn't even know this. The closet wraps around. How fun is that? And nice high ceilings too. I mean, these have to be like, I am 5'3". It's not double me. Probably 8-foot ceilings. 8, 9 maybe. Probably put a bed on this wall, or actually probably that wall right there. That way you can walk through this way That's what I would do. All right, so next we're gonna go upstairs and go out and check out the view. Nice hardy deck too. Like, this thing feels very solid. This is probably where I would probably put the hot tub, maybe out here somewhere, possibly down below. You don't want to make it easy access for people to get out here. Nice easy area to sit out. And so this is Bear Mountain right through these trees right here where you can see the ski slopes. And then right up here is Snow Summit where you can see the ski slopes there. And then this will give you a good view of the garage where you can see the edge of the roof. But there you have it. It's a nice A-frame over in Big Bear City. 1006 Feather Mountain. Just hitting the market for $699, $999. So let me know if you would like to take a look. Or if you have any questions. Talk to you soon. Bye.